Guidelines for hand hygiene technologies in the workplace, different types of dispenser and their placement. The COVID pandemic has highlighted the value of alcohol-based hand sanitizer gel in helping to maintain hygiene within an organisation. This video offers suggestions for anyone considering the purchase of a hand sanitizer. One easy way of ensuring access to gel is to give everyone their own bottle. But this is expensive, wastes plastic, and people may forget or lose their bottles. Most organisations, therefore, prefer to put dispensers in places where they are accessible to both workers and visitors. However, if a dispenser is to be shared, then it should have a hands-free mechanism. Otherwise, many hands will touch the same spot and share germs. When choosing a hands-free gel dispenser, it's important to consider how it will be powered, how accessible it will be, and where it will be located. Pedal-operated dispensers are a simple and inexpensive option, but are susceptible to mechanical failure and may be inaccessible to users with limited mobility. Battery and solar-powered dispensers are easy to operate and can be placed at the entrance to buildings, but need to be securely fixed to prevent theft. Mains-powered dispensers are more limited in where they can be placed, but they're easier to secure and can offer additional smart features. Smart hand sanitizers may, for example, collect data that shows how well the devices are functioning and whether they're being properly used. They may also have display screens, which can inform and educate users. If a hands-free gel dispenser uses motion sensors, then it's important to think about its placement. In poor lighting conditions, the sensors may not work properly, so consult the vendor of your hand sanitizer dispensers about how best to position them. For more information and resources, please visit our website at www.handhygieneatwork.com. Follow us on Twitter @HygieneAtWork.